Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook page for your business. So first, you just have to simply create a Facebook account. And as you can see here, I have one Facebook page for my business. In order to create a new one, you have to go and look for the page right here, tap this one. And then as you can see, there is this create page right here. So in order for you to create one, you have to tap on create page. Now, once you tap on the create page, then automatically you will see this where you need to add the page name, category, and bio. Now, if you don't know how to create your page name, I strongly suggest to ask a help from ChatGPT. So all you have to do is go to ChatGPT, create an account. This one is for free, and then ask for sample website or shop name, for example, flower shop list. So press enter, wait for a couple of seconds, and ChatGPT will show you a list of possible names for your Facebook page. All you have to do is to copy or type and then paste it to your Facebook page name. Now, once done, then what you're going to do next is you have to look for the category, which is below. Let me copy and paste this one first. So go back and then paste. You can change it anytime. So for category, you can search for like flower shop or let's just say business. Okay, all you have to do is type, then Facebook will show you a list of possible categories. Also for bio, you can also ask ChatGPT for that, or you can create your own. I strongly suggest to create your own, but you can also ask ChatGPT like wild lane, flower, bio, something like that. And then all you have to do is select the best one here. So for example, this, right click, copy, go back, paste, and then just proceed. So once you tap on create page right here, it will take you to the next step. Here, you need to simply add your website. It's important to have your website as much as possible. You can create your website for free, WordPress, or let's say Squarespace, and so on. Now for the number, this one is optional. You can skip that part, but it's also important to add that. Now for email address, add your email address right here. And also you need to add your location. Once you're done, you have to review or double check. And then after that, you need to tap on the next button below. So here, the next thing to do is to add our profile picture and cover photo. Here's the thing, you can just basically add your own picture and cover photo, but I strongly suggest to use Canva for that. So Canva is a free editing tool. Just go and create an account, tap on create a design, go to the search icon, look for Facebook cover. It will show you this size or the proper size for Facebook cover and Facebook profile. So you just have to click that specific template, dimension, size. Then after that, you can proceed with creating your Facebook profile for your Facebook page and your Facebook cover. So let's start on with the profile. Here you can go to design and then search for, let's just say, flower, because you are creating Facebook page for your flower business shop. Now press enter or tap this arrow. It will show you different templates for your Facebook profile. So let's just say this one right here, you can double tap or drag. You can change your face or whatever you want. So let me replace this picture. Let's just say this is my face. I'm just going to drag my face to this frame. And then you can resize or adjust. You can also change the background, the images here, or let's just say the elements, or you can add objects if you want. Once done, tap on download, make sure it's PNG. Now let's move on to the Facebook cover. Here, again, you can go to design, search for flower, and then it will show you different templates for flower shop Facebook cover. All you have to do is to select one. You can double tap or you can drag that to the blank page. So basically, once you have added that to the blank page, it's the same thing. You can just edit this. You can add elements, you can add picture, you can delete Unnecessary elements, for example, you can change this grand opening, you can delete that one. You can also add, for example, I will be adding the name of my flower shop, my business flower shop Facebook page. So it will be Wildflower Lane Flower Shop. You can change the font style. You can change the font size. You can even change the font color if you want. And then you can also change the picture. You can add elements. Just go to elements and then search for something, go to graphics or photos, and then select that specific object that you want to add here. So let's just say this one. You can also change the background color if you want. So there are a lot of things that you can do inside Canva. You can do it for free, but in order for you to unlock features, I strongly suggest to upgrade your Canva into Pro. So there will be lots of features to use. As you can see, I'm now trying to change the background color, but let's just go back to the original. Once you're okay, then what you're going to do is you have to simply tap on the share button above, and then you can download this and make sure it's PNG. So feel free to change the font style, font size, the effects, lift, outline, everything is up to you. You can also change the color like what I mentioned earlier. Download. Now it's time to go back to our Facebook page, add profile, upload, and also the cover photo, upload. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will see the result right away. Once done, then way to go. You can now customize your action button. For me, I want to choose book now. And then after that, tap on next. Basically, these are the important things on how to create Facebook page. After that, you can customize your page with your information, with everything here. So basically, this is the easiest way on how to create Facebook page for your business. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.